deep is it over there, you think?
Let's go find out.
What I want to do is check out how deep the crossing is.
Yeah, me too. There is a river crossing, and the Tesla, we're trying to see if the Tesla will...
Look at the back of the Tesla.
We know it can do it. We're worried about the other side, I think.
Yeah. We've gotten ourselves into today. I'm literally wearing this.
So, very soft.
I want to get your boots too, Thomas. You're going to get back in.
Yeah.
Here, get ourselves out.
I mean, it's not deep. I'm just worried about these scraping your car right here.
I think the suspension's high.
You think it's high enough?
What I'm worried about is over there.
Off-roading on a Tesla adventure. We are seeing if we can cross this like river crossing. These boys think we can, but I'm not so convinced.
Alright, vlog. So, we are in the middle of the river crossing. This apparently floods all of this, but we are gonna go across this, we think, in the Tesla. We just need to, what our thinking is that we are going to be absolutely able to get over this. As long as it doesn't rain, we can absolutely get back over this, but we have to cross the river again on the other side. So
We don't know what that looks like.
yeah, but it can't, I don't think it'll be worse than this because it's the same river.
Yeah.
So I think it's gonna be similar.
What I think, as long as we get a running start from up on the top of the hill, and there's soft stuff before, there's soft stuff in the middle, but it's dry. But I think if I put it in anti-slip mode, for snow,
Yeah.
it'll be okay in the sand. And then with the putting the suspension in high, I think we got enough clearance to get over these rocks. So I think we're just going to have to go and do this quick.
So we've decided we are going to cross said river crossing. Lord help us. So we put on slip start. Elon, if you're watching, this is a good test of your equipment.
We in
Very high. You can't go much faster though, it'll go down. So, 25, I think. 25 will be optimal.
Yeah, I just want to.
Get going.
Yeah, I just want to have momentum. Here we go.
Just say Hail Mary back there. Well, it seems that we've done it.
Uh-oh. That's what you get for saying that, but okay, here we go. All right.
I mean, it is just a river. We're on another side. I'm sure we can find a bridge somewhere, but we've put ourselves in a pickle if we can't cross on this side. Yeah, we got it. You want to just have a look in the tires and stuff? Just make sure they're all right. I think they look fine. This is kind of bumpy, but, just very high suspension it. I think we can do this for sure. That gets sketchy. That right there might get sketchy. That's pretty deep. But if you get over this way and you kind of ride right here on this edge, because I think right there is a little deep.
Yeah, I think we just get momentum and we just go.
I'm just worried about right here. I mean, over there it looks like it's not that
I
deep.
think we'll be fine, and it's not that much. It's just a few inches, as long as we just roll. And there is rock underneath it.
I mean, if we get over that, we should be fine.
They're literally throwing rocks to see how deep it is. Probably to see if we can get some traction under our tires, but...
All right. Traction's laid down.
You can see it plopping. I don't think we can get through that. I bet that's what they're saying right now.
No.
I would actually just leave our seatbelts off just in case.
Okay. That's always good.
Suspension
It's not
very high.
It's not deep for us to get out, but
Driving is-
it could take the...
Leave slip start on. Here, ready to go?
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be bumpy. This floods even when it's
Yeah. It's pretty cool.